Looking for a unique way to display your favorite photos? This heart collage will melt hearts. Now please go to Canva and then choose print. I will use flyer portrait size. And then this is the most important step. Go to File, go to Setting, add Guides, choose Custom, and type here 6 and here 12, and then change the gap to 0, and this one also 0, and then add Guides. Now go to Element, scroll down, find the frames and choose this square, and then place it here on the third line. Okay, and then crop it to make it only two column, and drag it here so it will be 5 row, and then duplicate it and place it here, and then crop it here, duplicate and place on the other side, and then duplicate and place it here, but crop it like this and crop it 1 row, duplicate it and place it here. Now duplicate it and place it here, and then crop it 1 row and duplicate to be placed here. Now duplicate again and place it here in the center. Now duplicate it and place it here, and then crop it half of the column. Now duplicate, place it here, duplicate again to be placed here, and duplicate to be placed here, duplicate again, I will place it here, duplicate again and place it here. So now we have it. Now select them all and click this stroke style and add the stroke weight. Okay, and then you can change the color of the stroke here. For example, I will choose white, and then go to File, Setting, and Clear Guides. Now select them all. You can reduce the size and place it anywhere. You can change the color of the background with, for example, this gradient, or you can change it to wall. Enter and choose on the photos, and then find the wall that you like. For example, this simple white brick wall, and set as background. And then you can add the photos here. For example, I will type here couple, enter. On the photos, just start adding it. For example, this one here, here. Okay, and then you can add some effect here. Just type here shadow on the graphic, and then find the shadow like this or like this one. Okay, and then rotate it 90 degrees and place it in the center, and increase the size, reduce the transparency. So now you have a corner effect. Okay, so this is the tutorial. I hope you like it. Please hit the like button if you like this tutorial, and subscribe to this YouTube channel. See you next video and have fun.